the occurrence of natural electrical discharge that is very short and has a very high voltage.
Well, lightning is an electric current. Within a thunderstorm way up in the sky, many small bits of ice, frozen raindrops, bump into each other as they move around in the air. All those collisions create an electric charge. After a while, the whole cloud fills up with electric charge. The positive charges, or protons, from the top of the cloud, and the negative charges, or electrons, from the bottom of the cloud, form at the bottom of the cloud. Since opposites attract, that causes a positive charge to build up on the ground beneath the cloud. The ground's electric charge concentrates around anything that sticks up, such as mountains, people, or single trees. The charge coming up from these points eventually connect with a charge reaching down from the cloud, and zap, lightning strikes.
The lightning strike. A typical lightning bolt contains about 15 million volts of electricity and instantly heats up the air around it to over 60,000 degrees, which some reaching more than 100,000 degrees. That's why the total energy of a strong thunderstorm can exceed the energy released during an atomic explosion.
There are a few different ways to be struck by lightning, so you really don't have to be just standing in a tree to get struck by lightning. It could just directly hit you, which is one way. It could side flash hit you, was when it hits another object and then it goes from there to you, so if you're near a tree, I guess, yeah. The ground current, which is when it hits the ground and then the ground is shocked, and so are you because you're on the ground. And then the conduction is when you're holding on to or touching something like metal, and then the lightning strikes something metal, then it conducts all the way to you, or whatever. And then streamer, and I'm not going to go into that, but it's very uncommon and it's very deadly. So, yeah.
The lightning bolt is about 1 inch, about that big.
24,000 people